Now we talk about Vastu. We talk about Vastu. So like in Feng Shui, in general, the starting is always with 8 directions. 8 directions. So everyone would be aware about 0 degrees we count as north, and then we put all other directions. So north, northeast, east, and I have given this numbers. So even in Feng Shui, we follow the same degrees of division. Okay. But what happens further in Feng Shui, we divide this further into 24 mountains, but here we divide into 16 parts. Okay, that is the difference of approach that we have in Feng Shui and Vastu. So here the 8 degrees we divide into three parts and make 24 mountains, and that is how we place all the the 12 Jiazi and all that, and the 12 animal signs. But here instead we have some different way of approach, where you can see the north now is having only this part, and the other part has gone to the northwest part, and one more part has gone to the northeast part, and that is how we get division of 16 directions. 16 directions. So if I say here it is east, let me bring that note 1 minute. Okay, so here if I say east, here it is east, then you can understand after east normally we have southeast direction. So if I go back, 1 minute, I have to change this. Okay, mouse here. So if I go back, you can see here is east, we have southeast. But if I go here, if you find between east and southeast, now we have east of southeast, east of southeast. Okay, and that is how we get these 16 directions, which we consider them as 16 zones. 16 zones for understanding the placement and everything, where I will reside in my entire house, the bungalow, the row house, or the apartment, or in a commercial premise and all that. Like we have the divisions of 24 in Feng Shui. Here we have 16. Okay. Now I am going to talk something about adding these two parts. So astrology, I gave you some idea about astrology. Now I gave you some idea about Vastu. Vastu means I have just given 8 directions and further division of 16. So like in Feng Shui, we talk about energy, flying stars and all. In Feng Shui, in Vastu, we talk about the inner space and somehow activating the inner space by getting the right energy through main door. Same way we do in Feng Shui also. Then where I sleep, the important part, the bedroom, where would be placed my, washrooms and all, whether they are occupying something important based on my chart. That is all what we study in Astro Vastu. Okay. So Astro Vastu now is all about amalgamation of using birth chart and evaluating it. So this becomes more specific. When we only talk about Feng Shui or only talk about Vastu, it will be for all people and in general that we set are given energies in a space by color, by position and all that. But when we talk about specification, that designing that house based on the earning member, so he gets more benefit. Okay, he gets more benefit. That is where we add the readings of his chart and understand the entire playground and the players, how they will play. So in general, if I give you idea, like in the Indian context of Vastu, in general they say the east direction is all about social connections. I'll just go back here, give you some idea. So if you see here, I've written social connections is all about east direction. The east southeast is all about anxiety and churning. So people somewhere, if they are stressed and they are using this direction, they will get more stress. Because this direction is all about getting anxiety. Okay. Then southeast, you can see cash flow, the money part. Southeast is all about that. We talk about in Indian Vastu. Same thing also we talk about in Feng Shui. Southeast is all related to money. Okay. Then southeast is all about courage. You can see here I have written courage. So if people somewhere are lacking courage, it may be somewhere, cut is there, extension is there, anti-element is there, and therefore the people residing there are not having that risk capacity, not taking the steps required to move ahead in life. Somewhere they lack courage due to anti-element or due to, washrooms or something coming up that may be, having a negative effect over here. Okay, then south direction is all about peace and harmony. The southwest, the southwest is all about drainage. The southwest is all about the skills, the skills that we have in our life, that we acquire over a period of time. The skills, it can be the skills of learning Bazi, learning astrology, learning Vastu, all that, or specification into your own field. It is seen through this direction. Or if you have issues in this direction, this may be the reason that somewhere we lack, acquiring skill, or more efforts are needed. Okay. Then here west southwest is all about savings. So the money that we earn or the cash flow that we get from southeast, here is the direction of gains. Okay, here is the direction of savings, and the next direction is all about gains and profits. Okay, the west northwest is all about depression. So somewhere if the person is not anxious and is depressed, that is where you need to pick up from here and put it here for some time. That is the remedy. Why? Because now you have to make him to get into activity, but not more. So again, we need to shift it later. Okay. So here the support, support that we require in our day-to-day activities or life, or somewhere down the line, northwest. Even in feng shui, we say, northwest is related to helpful people. Same thing is here, support. Okay, northwest is all about intimacy. Okay, so bedroom here, it can be more pleasurable. And north is all about opportunities. So here what we do, we evaluate the birth chart that we just saw, all the 12 house, the 9 planets, the 12 signs. We evaluate the house, we check the floor plan. So what we require here, again like feng shui, we require a proper scale plan. We then overlay the template, understand the location of main door, how is the energy, how much open, close, all that what we do. And finally, we give the suggestion remedy. So what that may be, it can be like shifting the players that I talked about, the colors. There are different ways that players are represented in a house. All the items that we have in our house, somewhere they boil down to the 9 planets. Okay, so there we can tell, you need to shift this item from here, because somewhere I will explain. I have put a case study here to give you a proper explanation, don't worry. So you need to shift this item maybe here from this particular zone, and in that same room it may be, but in that zone. Why? Because this particular item somewhere is giving a negative aspect, a negative angular aspect in your chart, and it is there. Therefore, this may be the problem or the root cause of the issue you are facing now. It may be for recovery of money. It may be, about your education. It may be about your job, something like that. And within, some hours, you understand that if you have done all the required shift of that particular item, which you understood from your chart, you find some difference in the shift and energy and the feeling and all that. Okay. Even we have done case studies of health. What we do, the same rashis that I'm talking about in the chart, the same rashis are on your body, and your body from head to toe is divided into 12 rashis, 12 signs. And if I have something, I will put a color related to a player, a color on a particular part of my body, and that will help me in healing. And we have done so many cases like knee pain, head pain, injuries and all, and it helps to recover faster, other than whatever modality, whatever prescription you are taking. We don't do anything about that. You continue as it is. But this additional, just a color by a felt pen, by a something, on some body part, it may be just a red color, a small dot, or a blue or a yellow color at some body part. After learning the chart, your battlefield, you can do a small chart, color on a regular basis, and you find that helps in recovery. And many cases we have done.